How to fix YouTube not showing full screen. So if your YouTube is not showing the full screen, if you're facing a problem, then first of all open up your YouTube application, and after opening, now you can simply choose a video that you would like, any video. And after opening the video, now if you simply tap on that video, here on the bottom right side of that video you will have a square shaped icon, right? So you can simply tap on that square shaped icon and it will take you to the landscape mode. So that's how you make the full screen on YouTube. But if that option is not available, then you can simply drag down, and then here you will have auto rotate option. You can simply tap on auto rotate, and then you can simply hold your mobile on landscape mode and it will automatically take that video in landscape. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.